to watch cricket bats grow, to reside where clover bestow the unhurried pace that grass to hay bring, to be a cuckoo, be the fisher king, skating without rush upon murky reflected earth, 6 foot above, a differing world, yet same earth. To be blessed, the towpath, only the chaser, I the captain, not the acer. To let man outspeed my own steam now, beneath heavens of blue, alongside neighbours the only cow. To be awakened by the choir at daybreak, be in all history of nature to betake, to good days where cheery folk speak of greetings, to see forever green, no red self-defeatings, with bright skies afore, no nimbus cloudburst, to the joyous path bestowing direction to the sunburst. Wool gathering, passing footnotes are slow, on the path where hooves before did toe, with the script of one's existence to sow, to steer a right path forego. Not to end where the Buddleias seed, to outpace houseboats, only to recede, in bovine trucks, full aboard, stuck a ship's mate for a sentence aboard, be in circles going, cuckoo gone, the Einstein frazzled, satisfying only greedy felines razzled, in a clog abide, narrative of tomorrow creating, through nettles be pushed, to end beneath stagnating, perceive stampedes of red, now green, tomorrow's path to the lustreless of nimbus and the blue of sorrows. The idea behind this poem. Well, wandering along the canal towpath with father, who mentioned cricket bat tree, an old name or a nickname for a willow tree, well, that got my clog turning, adding to the fact and realising in life I was currently on life's